Today's topic in under 2 minutes, business organization formation. Forming a business entity is a fundamental strategy for protecting your personal assets from business liabilities. It is a sad fact that many businesses fail, so it is vital that your personal assets be protected. The two most common types of business entities are corporations and limited liability companies. If properly organized, these entities provide a shield of protection for the business owner, ensuring that the business owner is not liable for corporate or company debt. As with most matters in life, there is a wrong way and a right way to form a business entity. The wrong way is to simply register online with the Minnesota Secretary of State, pay the filing fee, and then forget about everything else. Proceeding this way will provide you with a shield about the thickness of a piece of cellophane. The right way is to have a seasoned attorney draft all of the necessary documents, from articles of incorporation or organization to minutes of directors' meetings to member control agreements to minutes of shareholder meetings and so on. Done this way, a titanium shield will be protecting your personal assets. Should you be interested in starting your business the right way, please call for a no-cost initial consultation. Our contact information can be found on our website, timlaw.com, or on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching.